then it will came back into the address of the subroutine, then it go back to the next program to function. Okay, मु कौन कहली लिंक रजिस्टर आमर गोटे मेन प्रोग्राम अच्छी आम से भितर गोटे सबरूटीन को कॉल करिया सबरूटीन को कॉल करिया मीन्स कौन आम कॉल करिया पूर्व लिंक रजिस्टर काम होउची गोटे सबरूटीन को कॉल करिया पूर्व लिंक रजिस्टर काम होउची से फास्ट गोटे रिटर्न एड्रेस को स्टोर करिवो ओके जो रिटर्न एड्रेस होउची हियर 2001 तापर से कौन करिवो से सबरूटीन को कॉल करिवो किए माइक्रो कंट्रोलर जंप्स टू द सबरूटीन एंड देन इट कॉल्स टू subroutine, then it is came back into the address of the return address, then it then go to the next step to execute. Okay, this is your link register. Link register will hold the address of the return address of the subroutine. Next, program counter. Program counter. What is program counter or what is the uses of program counter in advanced RISC machine microcontroller or architecture or anything you can tell microprocessor also. So program counter ro kamo hela it executes the next instruction. It executes the next instruction of the microprocessor or microcontroller or advanced RISC machine microcontroller. Okay, machine microcontroller program counter काम होला ये next instruction को execute करेगा या next address को execute करेगा. All these are special purpose register. All these are special purpose register means stack pointer is used to perform some specific task, link register is also used to perform some specific task, and program counter is also used to perform some specific task. Okay, now I explain what is CPSR. What is CPSR? CPSR register is also available in ARM microcontroller. Okay, is also available in ARM microcontroller. बुझेला ताने बर्तमान आम देखा CPSR कौन what is the meaning of CPSR or what is the function of CPSR. Let us see. CPSR is current program status register. Current program status register. What is the function of all these registers? We will discuss. First we have to discuss what is the function of CPSR. CPSR, this is your current program status register. Okay, how many registers are there in ARM architecture or microcontroller? R0 to R15. Okay, R0 to R15, R0 to R12 is your general purpose register, R13 to R15 is your special purpose register, and CPSR is your 32-bit register. All these registers having 32-bit. Okay, the size of all these registers are 32-bit. Okay, the size of all the registers are 32 bits. Okay, बर्तमान आमे देखिबा CPSR रो फंक्शन केमिति होउची आ CPSR केमिति भितरे काम करूची. CPSR let us take a diagram. CPSR is how many bits? It is 32 bits. So 32 bits means let us write आमे लिखिया बर्तन from 31, starting from 31 to, you can write 27, then 26 to 8, 31, this is a 28, 27, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 0. Okay. Let us write CPSR is 32-bit register. CPSR is 32-bit register. Okay. So from 31 to 28, it is having NZCV. Okay. NZCV. Okay. From 27 to 8, it is having, this is your IF or interrupt flag, or you can write here unused. Okay, you can write here unused. And next one is your interrupt flag, IF, and next one is your T, and next one is your mode. These are the basic diagram having the CPSR. Okay, what is the meaning of NZCV? What is the uses of unused? What is the meaning of IF, T, and more? All these things we have to discuss here. NZCV. Okay, this is your negative flag, N is your negative flag, Z is your zero flag, C is your carry flag, and V is your overflow flag. What is all the uses are here. Okay, why we are using all the flags in CPSR? Okay, so first we have to discuss what is negative flag. Negative flag. Okay, if negative flag set, the ALU, the result of ALU, the result of ALU is negative. Okay, जदि आम नेगेटिव फ्लैग सेट करिया CPSR रे कि ARM प्रोसेसर रे तो रिजल्ट कौन आसीबो दैट इज नेगेटिव. जदि जीरो फ्लैग जदि आम सेट करिया इफ सेट देन इट गिव्स द रिजल्ट 0. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज कैरी फ्लैग. जदि आम सेट करिया कैरी फ्लैग इफ सेट the result of ALU is, the result of ALU generates a carry. समस्त carry कौन जानते हो? Addition, binary addition, binary subtraction. Okay, next is your overflow flag. जदि आम सेट करिया ताको ताहले the result is overflow. All these things you have to remember in ARM register organization. So later we discussed another registers inside the CPSR. So all of you I think understand all these things and remember all these things whatever I have told to you, and thank you.